Enjoy the health benefits of peppermint plant. So easy to prepare. Boil your water, cut some fresh leaves from the home garden, rinse them in your water, and put in a mug. Add some sugar to taste if you need. Otherwise, it is good to go without any sugar. Pour your boiled water into the mug and just cover it and let the heat bring out the aroma. Leave it. Please do not drink on empty stomach. Peppermint can be used fresh or dry. You can use it on your salad, add it to your meals. It is excellent in curing headaches, nausea, and bad breath. The magic is done. Have a sip and enjoy yourself. It reduces body fats, and it gives you healthy kidney. Please subscribe for more. It is so easy to grow. Cut from existing plants nicely, neatly. As you do that, you are also cleaning the environment in the process, and you are increasing the green surface. Insert the cuts into the bottles through the holes. Grow mint plants at home and in your office. Engage students to grow them in the school too. Clean the environment of waste bottles in the process. Be a solution to waste and grow healthy plants at home and in your offices and in school. Leave it in your office to continue growing, and you see the magic in it. Water it to continue the growth process. And wow, please subscribe for more. Thank you and God bless. Bye.